Hi viewers, now we are going to learn about how to share a folder or how to share a data within the systems, whatever systems are connected in local area network. For your convenience, I have made a JPG file. Here it is physically connected systems in your local area network. Here it is physically connected systems to a network device. Here the systems are connected to a Wi-Fi device. These systems are connected by Wi-Fi only. These systems are connected to Wi-Fi router. Here in local area network, physically connected to the network device, these systems by a network cable. Otherwise, if you don't have any network device, take a network cable and directly connect system to system. If you connect straight cable or cross cable to both systems by network cable, but you have to maintain a IP range. Here also you can automatically it will be assigned by IP this router. Here in Wi-Fi network also we can share the data. Now I will show you how to share a data in this system, how to access from this system. I will show you. Create a folder. Example, you have a folder on your system and having a file in your system. Subfolder I am creating. Why? Because maybe you are getting doubt that sharing option will apply for subfolder or not. You will have some doubt. That is what I have created subfolder and a data. Particular this folder, right click on that particular folder, go to properties and go to sharing and share enable. Here click on it, this button, add button. Just click on everyone button and then add. After that everyone read write permission, give read write permission for everyone and then share and then done. After that then go to advanced sharing. Here enable the share this folder option. After that go to permission button. After that give the full control, allow, then OK and OK and close. Just we have enabled sharing for this folder. Go to control panel and go to network and internet and then network and sharing center. Here you can find one option, change advanced sharing settings. Here turn on network discovery, it should be enabled, and expand this all networks. Here one option is there, turn on password protected sharing. Sometimes by default it will be enabled. Just disable this option, turn off password protected sharing. Just put off password protected sharing. After that go to save changes. Already I have made, that is what this save changes is not highlighting. Just go to save change and close this. First what we have done, just password protected sharing, put off, network discovery, enable, everything we have done in the control panel. And we have sharing options we have enabled in this folder. In this system we have enabled how to share and how to disable some options, how to enable some options we have done in this system. And come to this system, go to my computer networks. In your from which computer you want to access that particular system, from that system you have to go to networks. Here you can see that particular system, you can open it like this and you can access like this. Okay, just from here we have access like that, but compulsory this devices should be connected Wi-Fi router or directly through a cable or directly to the system to system by a network cable or by the cables to network device. Like that it should be connected and it should be share the data. We have enabled some options in the control panel. After that, coming to this system, like this, with the system name it will appears over here. This is the sharing concept. If you like this video, please comment and share, subscribe. I have dropped my email ID in description. Text me if you facing any problems in your systems. I will make a video on particular troubleshooting about your system or network. Thank you.